What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Hero Session. Alright, you can get this at Walmart.com for 150 bucks. But let's take a look around the pack. It says it's waterproof, 8 megapixel. Can y'all see that? Waterproof, 8 megapixel. Alright. Now it says you can wear it, mount it, love it. It has a GoPro mounting frame, a mounting buckle, and a curved surface adhesive mount. That one like goes on helmets and stuff. And then you got a flat surface adhesive mount that goes on flat surfaces. It says micro SD card required, sold separately. Alright, now you got a GoPro app, so you can download the app via App Store or via Google Play. It says you can use your phone to control your GoPro, create awesome videos, and share with friends. You can use the Capture app to control your GoPro and share on the go. Quick app, automatic edits made awesome, and you can splice up videos with custom edits made simple. All right. So it has an 8 megapixel camera with 10 frames per second burst. Shot. You got time lapse. You have waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. Video shoots 1440p, 30 frames per second, or 1080p, 60 frames per second. You get it says one simple button control. So you press one button to start recording, and it has wind noise reduction. All right. So let's open this up real quick. Let's see what all comes with it. There we go. So open that up. Nice little pull tab right here. So you pull it. Supposed to pull everything out, but you see that ain't really working. All right, it ain't working that way either. Maybe that's what the struggle is real. The struggle is real. All right, so we'll try this way.
2 hours later.
Now this is just like awkward because it's like a box onto a plastic box. You know what I mean? It's kind of stupid, but it is what it is. Alright. GoPro box right here. Let's open that up. We got it here. So you got a booklet with your instructions. And just flap up like that. And then you got 2 mounts. This is your 3M curve mount. Goes on a helmet. You know what I mean? Well, this one is, my bad. This will go on a helmet. You know what I mean? Or something like that with curve. And this is your flat mount that will go on something else. Flat surface. And you got a your charging port or your data cable, whichever one you use it for. Alright, so you got a little 3-foot cord, 2 3-foot cord, USB to mini USB. Let's see what else we get. That might be it. I don't see nothing else coming off there. Alright, now there's a way to take this off, I guess. So let's see. If you unscrew that. Let's see what happens. Pull that out of there. Pull the GoPro camera up off of there. I don't know how they expect you to take this thing off. Maybe it slides out. That was difficult for no reason. Alright, so you put that back on here like that. Adjust it to where you want to adjust it. And then, I don't think you need that yet. That gets removed. Take the pin, put the pin back in. And this is what your camera looks like. Alright. So this is it. You set it down like that. If you want to record, put it on top of something. And all you do is lift that up, slide that in there, pull that down, and it should lock, I think. Yeah, but it locks in there like that. You want to take it out, just squeeze those clips, pull it out. Alright, let's check out the GoPro. You got a camera, which is a video camera. I guess it said if you press it one time, the video camera will start. Press it 3 times, and it starts like a time-lapse video. Open this up right here, I think. Maybe you just push the button. That's for your Wi-Fi and all that. That's right here. Little button over here. Click that, and that's where your micro SD card goes. So your micro SD will go in the bottom slot, and then your charger will go in the top slot up here, like that. Alright, I do have an SD card, but I don't have it with me right now. It's upstairs. So close the door like that, and I guess if you want to detach it from the bracket that it's in, you just pull up like that, and then your camera comes out like this. So we're going, then you have a little LCD screen up there. So we press it one time, see what happens. We might not have no juice, so we're gonna hold it in, see what happens. Nothing. So I think we just ain't got no juice. So it's gonna need charged. And there's a button back here which it says has like a little Wi-Fi thing on it. So you click that, it connects your Wi-Fi. But all that will pop up on your screen if it was charged. But let me see if I could get it a little light right here. Just to let you know that it's charging. Also a light back here. I'm guessing to let you know that it's charging. But if you click it one time, it says no SD card. Y'all see that? So you ain't gonna get no recorder with no SD card. Alright. So it's like a delay. So you give it like 2-3 seconds after you hit that button. You know what I mean? But let me see if I can set up Wi-Fi or anything on it. Yeah. Alright, so you click it, and then a little menu come up to tell you you ain't got no battery. Yeah, 8 megapixel. Then you got more. Which I don't know how you get to the more, but like I said, this is just the unboxing. I'll figure all that out and let you know, y'all know in the next one. So you click that. Okay, so this is like your shoot button. Alright. Press that again, see what's going on. Hit it again, you go enter photo mode, camera settings, 1080p. Okay, so you use this as like the button back here, the Wi-Fi button. You use that to like navigate around. Then you use the power button to choose the option. So you can click 1080p. You can 720, 720s, VGA 1440, and 1080s and 1080. So we're gonna go 1440, and then you click the button again, and you got 30 frames per second, and that's as high as you can go as far as frames per second on 1440. Alright, so then you go to done. Y'all probably can't see none of that, but you go to done, click done, and that setting is in there. So you go to photo mode, camera settings. You can go to the app where you can select stuff in the app. So it's RC, and then you got exit. Alright, so you can enter photo mode, camera settings, app, RC, and exit. Alright, so not too many options on here. Like, they're not giving you a whole lot. You know what I mean? This is a small device, is very minimal, and you know what I mean, it's built to be that way. Now I watched a few reviews on here. This looks like a speaker right here, and like I said, it's supposed to have some type of wind shield, but a lot of people said that it's trash, that it don't really work, and they had to use a in here, they had to use a program after the video to increase or enhance the audio on this. Also, I watched a couple videos where they said, you know, these are supposed to be action cameras, and it dropped, and like one woman said she dropped it on the first try and it broke. You know what I mean? She couldn't use it, like the door popped off or something, and it wasn't shut no more. It was something stupid, something crazy. So like I said, there's been a couple videos I watched where people complained about it, and they said they wouldn't get it again if they had the option. A lot of people took it back because they thought it wasn't good. But I mean, you're getting minimum here. You're getting a HD camera, HD action camera for 150 bucks. One button, really. I mean, it's got two, but like one button, you click it and you record it. Simple as that. You know what I mean? But you know, anybody who has a GoPro, if you ain't never had one before, there's 1,001 accessories for this. You know what I mean? So you got chest accessories, and I'm kind of upset because I had a whole bunch of like accessories for GoPro. Like, I had the chest mount, I had the head mount, I had arm mounts, I had bike mounts, I had everything. I had like a whole bunch of mounts. But then I got rid of my GoPro for some reason. I didn't really use it anymore, so I got rid of it, and I could have just gave it to one of my kids. And I had like the whole diver kit and everything where you can throw it in the water and not worry about it. But like I said, it has a million accessories. So whatever you want to do with this, you'll be able to do if you got the right accessory. But I think that's going to be it for the unboxing. I'll have my full in-depth review with maybe some footage, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. Probably about a week, you know what I mean, something like that. I'll let my son do most of the damage, you know what I mean. So if a 10-year-old can use it and get it back to me with no issues, you know what I mean, then we might be good to go. Alright. But it's DO, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you gotta do is click the description, go into the description, click every one of those links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.